money stream from where the yokels grow, and as you can see, we're standing out here in the front yard at twilight, and that's because in today's video we need to finish getting our sweet potato slits planted up. This is our first one to plant, and then we'll be planting another one here in about 7 days. We have about 90 days to go before they are before harvest, so with our long season here in North Texas, we should be okay. So if you all are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. Let's get growing, y'all. Let's plant up these sweet potatoes.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired?
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is amend the soil with some blood meal, bone meal, some gypsum, and some organic all-purpose fertilizer, because the container that these are going into is a 20-gallon grow bag, and it had just grown some of our onions that we filmed in our How to Grow Your Onions in a Container, and I will link that at the end of this video if you'd like to see that. But we're going to plant sweet potatoes in that 20-gallon bag, and I apologize for the planes growing over. For those of you who are new, I live in an urban neighborhood, and that's why we call it the urban concrete jungle. That's where we grow. So I apologize for the background noise as it flew over. So let's get planting these sweet potatoes. When I'm done, I'll show you everything. Okay, y'all, I wanted to show you what I did. I put this little VA frame over it, so it will, when the sweet potatoes grow up, we're gonna vine it around that and try and keep them contained. In about 90 days, they should be ready to harvest, and I know you saw me throw that bucket in there. It was true variety of blood meal, true variety of bone meal, Espona's gypsum, or organic gypsum, and then Espona's organic all-purpose fertilizer excuse me, was put in there. Oh, sorry about the stuttering. I have children out here who are quite the audience right now. They're kind of a distraction. But there it is. We have one more 20-gallon bag on the opposite side over there, on the opposite side of this tower, and we'll be planting up in 7 days. We'll be planting up another set of sweet potatoes. Okay, got the camera turned back around, got the kids out of here so I could finish telling you. When you plant potatoes or sweet potatoes, just remember that because they are a root vegetable, putting bone meal in the soil will really help those roots to kind of take hold and develop so that you can get good tubers underneath there. It's been my experience that is, besides putting in, you know, fertilizer, I'll probably do fertilizer, just a handful of that Espona all-purpose fertilizer, probably about once a month, unless I'm watering a lot, and then I'll be putting it in there more, and I may even switch over to a liquid fertilizer such as fish emulsion, just because it is a grow bag, and sometimes when you grow things in grow bags, you know, you can constantly watering. Hey, you know, all the nutrients are just washing right out of the bottom of that. So let me know down in the comment section, are you growing sweet potatoes this year? What variety are you growing? You know, how did you plant them? Did you just put them in a no-till, no-dig? Did you throw them in some straw? Did you put them in grow bags? Let me know down in the comments. I always love hearing everybody's ways of planting everything, because honestly, y'all, we all learn from each other as a community, and that is the way that we grow as gardeners. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because new videos are posted often and I would hate for you to miss anything. And if you found some value in it, please be sure to give us a like and a thumbs up. It helps the channel to grow. Till I see you in the next video, you all keep your heads up. You take care of yourselves and you keep growing. Bye-bye.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired